Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about websites, how to make a website or start building website or understanding HTML5. So this is the first lesson and let's start it to learn HTML5. So basically I'm using Visual Studio Code here. So first I make the new folder which I name a website using HTML5. Okay, now the folder has been created, and all you have to do just drag and drop in it Visual Studio Code. It is taking some time because I have processes running on background. Please be patient. There it is, Microsoft Visual Studio Code. I think this is the best for me, but you can also try Notepad++ and the other editing softwares. It is taking too much time. Not a problem. Yes, it is open now. You can see here is the folder which I made recently using this name is website using HTML5. We just open it, and here is the option to create a new file. Just click on it and name the folder is index and give it extension .html. Just hit enter and it will create a HTML file inside your folder. Now you can see the tab here which shows that the index.html file is open. The easiest way to make a structure of a website or HTML page is to put a exclamatory mark in Visual Studio Code and hit the tab button. Basically what it does, it is predefined that if we put exclamatory mark and then press tab, then it will create a basic structure of HTML page. Now you can see here is the doc type HTML declaration that this is the HTML page. Here is the HTML language EN English. It's mean English. There is a head tag. Inside the head tag there is a meta char set which is for search engine optimization or etc. I don't know even its purpose. And the other tag is title, which will show in the tab of the browser. Here we can use a website HTML5. Okay. Just rename it to whatever you want to name it. HTML5. Inside the body you can type various things. I recommend a book which name is HTML and CSS by John Duckett. I will leave the address to download the book in the description so that you cannot be waiting here and there. This is the book in PDF format. You can download it from here directly. Inside this book you have all the details about HTML tags and CSS etc. There is 10 chapters of HTML in which you are led to be making the structure of a website or a web page, and the other 10 chapters are CSS in which you are going to using styles on CSS. Here we are going to make a basic structure with a heading 1 and a paragraph. So if you want to make a heading, then you have to open these two types of bracket inside which you have to type. There are 6 types of headings: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. H1 is the largest and H1 is the smallest heading in HTML. So we are going to make two headings. Here is h1 heading. Just open this tag and close this tag. By means close, you have to put forward slash and h1. Inside it you can type your heading. That I am going to type this is heading 1. Okay, this will make its heading 1, and I'm going to make heading 2 as well, which is the similar process. Now I'm going to make a paragraph. For paragraph you have to write a tag of P. P means paragraph. In opening tag and closing tag inside the paragraph you can type your para. Then after this you have to save. You can save it by pressing Ctrl plus S. It will save it, and you can open this by in your web browser, for which you have to go to folder where the folder you make the HTML file. Just open it and it will open in your default browser. This is the result of which we type. This is heading 1, this is heading 2, and this is the paragraph we write. So that's the today's class all about, and you can download the PDF file of John Duckett and start learning from it. And if you have any query or question regarding HTML structures or in the or from the book, then let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.